Week 3, Time Management and Study Tips.
Hi, Titan. With it being week 3 of the semester, it's a great time to think of what you need to succeed this semester to set yourself up for success. To get started, your time management is important to get in order. We recommend getting started on your digital calendar, any physical planner, and or any other organizational system you might need to get started. If you do not have a system together, do not worry, you still have time to get it together, and here are some tools to get you started. In school, I had both a digital and physical planner in college, but to each their own. Everyone has their own system. You have to find your own system that works for you and to help you keep up with your assignments and plan ahead. The planning ahead is the most important part. I think a lot of the times, we're kind of working assignment to assignment, and sometimes we underestimate how much time something might take to study for or to work on. So planning ahead is key, and time blocking your schedule as best as possible. If you need support in this area, here are 2 resources to help with. The first one is a video on time management. I definitely recommend this resource. The second one is a workshop on time management you can also complete. The next, study tips. We all have different study habits and plans of attack for understanding condensing information. For each subject and for different faculty, even with how they run their classes, there might be different methods to prepare for exams and assignments depending on what class, what section, what professor. So here are a great list of strategies to help with you with where you're beginning with your study habits. For most classes, especially if it's a STEM class or harder class, we usually recommend tutoring or supplemental instruction, and then also going to professor office hours. If there's other areas beyond time management that you might need support with, I would look to these other workshops on study tips, procrastination, stress management, goal setting, self-motivation, etc. There's a lot of good tools on this page, so go ahead and check it out. Credit to El Camino College, where I used to work with their student success program for these workshops. For any additional tools, I'm here to help you with and help you get started. And also, if you want to go more in depth with your time management system, I'm here for you. If you have any questions on a particular tool, let me know and we can meet and discuss. I hope these resources and tools will help you on your journey to passing classes this semester and beyond graduation.